An effective insulating attic blanket separates a building's conditioned living space from its unconditioned attic space at the ceiling. R-value is only one part of the equation when insulating an attic or roof to guard from heat loss in colder months and heat gain in warmer months. TimberFill's robust interlocking fibers are an ideal material for creating a resilient attic blanket with an R-value of 3.8 per inch that reduces airflow and guards a building from unwanted heat gain. With open-blow installations, the installer uses the power of the blowing machine to transport and broadcast TimberFill throughout the attic space. This method is familiar to most installers and allows for application when maneuvering in an attic is difficult or access is restricted. Machine settings need to be adjusted to minimize unwanted airborne particulates, and attention should be paid to consistency in the installation's depth. Attic rulers placed as necessary help with this. The installer must account for some settling of fiber based on coverage charts, applying a thicker blanket when using the open blow method. Direct fiber placement is a more precise technique, resulting in a cleaner application with less airborne fibers. When using TimberFill, the installer does not need to account for fiber settling. This method of installation does require greater access to attic spaces that may not always be possible. With direct fiber placement, the installer walks the attic, holding the fill hose close to the ceiling, working the fiber into each bay. This technique settles or sets the fiber in place, creating the dense blanket necessary for blocking heat and airflow. Achieving adequate R values in vaulted or cathedral ceilings can be difficult. The International Residential Code, or IRC, allows for 500 square feet, or 20% of the total insulated ceiling area, whichever is less, to be insulated at R30. With TimberFill, the cavity must be roughly 8 inches deep to achieve an R30. Refer to code specifics for your area. In these applications, spray foam is often used to maximize R value and air seal, but there are significant liabilities associated with using only foam to insulate ceilings and roofs. One large liability that is often overlooked is how rapidly heat transfers through foam because it lacks thermal bulk or density. This same issue occurs with mineral wool, as shown in this demonstration. The density, high heat capacity, and low thermal conductivity of wood fiber make TimberFill an industry-leading attic insulation. Wood fiber delays solar heat gain unlike other insulations, driving down cooling loads and improving comfort in our buildings. TimberFill and the full suite of wood fiber insulations offered by TimberHP provide new solutions to the North American market for addressing the growing demand to insulate better.